guys, Tracy Brown here with Lindy's Gang. And oh my gosh, we have an exciting new set for you. Our super creative, sassy, spunky, awesome Natalie May has come up with a new set that we are calling Go Girl, that we are releasing for pre-sale on National Girls Day, October 11th. Didn't know that was a thing, but we had to do it. It makes sense, right? So I want to show you the colors. We are releasing it in both a shimmer and a flat set, so you got options, and in a spray. So we got all kinds of stuff, and they're great names. So I'm going to I'll move these guys out of the way because I'm afraid I'm going to make a mess otherwise. And using one of our new brushes. Here is, in this particular one, oh, and the whole set's called Go Girl, by the way. This is our shimmer set, Go Girl Shimmer. This is Boss Babe Blonde. Look how fun that is. Just a neat yellow, bright, not quite neon, but almost. And it comes in both a flat and a shimmer. Oh, and let me, look at, I'm going to be so organized. There is the spray. So, you got that, baby. Boss Babe Blonde. Now, just to have another super great girl, Go Girl name, how about Fierce Female Flush? Maybe a little nod to women in my age group with the flush, but we love it. So it's a nice pink that you can really get to be a super light one if you want it to. Has a little bit of milkiness to it, just to give it some yummy. And then here is the spray. So you can see it kind of tones out differently with spray and shimmer. So that is Fierce Female Flush. Let's move on here to my favorite color name, which is Get It Girl Green with a G-U-R-L, girl. And look at this. I kind of am a green girl, even though you can see I'm wearing a bright pink shirt, but I love me a green. And this is one of those that's right up my alley. So this is Get It Girl Green. Next we have and if it's a shimmer, it has a green shimmer. Sorry, I haven't been telling you that. We'll get a better video on here, I promise. This is called Own It Orchid. And it's got a nice purpley, magenta-y, fuchsia. Actually, kind of matches my shirt. And here is the, oh, let me splatter all over the place, make a mess. Here is the spray, Own It Orchid. And just to round it all out, yes, I know I just made a mess with that, is Unstoppable Aqua. And it is. And remember, we make sure we are not duplicating colors. So if you think you already have this color, promise you do not have exactly this color. So there he is. Look how cool he is. Unstoppable, actually how cool she is. Unstoppable Aqua, and here is the spray to go with it. So, Go Girl, available in, and you'll notice on here we have written flat or, oh, let me find the other guy, shimmer, so you can see that you can have both, you can have one. We're going to have discounts for all kinds of stuff, so welcome, Go Girl!